Hi mga beshi pala. So, it's me, Angel. So, yun guys. Mayroon, kakain tayo ngayon ng balot. Yan. Yan guys. Meron tayong suka. Suka. Nanyo, suka yan. Ano ba suka? Alangan naman. Tingnan natin. Para siyang asukal. Ito, asin. So, get lang tayo ng a little. 1 pinch lang ang ilalagay. 1 pinch lang ang ilalagay ko doon. Maalat, ang sarap kaya.
Yung sandilo. Huwag may puna sa bado mo, Pao.
Yan, meron na. So, yan. So, ay. Ito yung balot. So, wait lang.
May invisible ako na
Ito,
kanyan.
dito natin bubuksan. Guys, guys, alam nyo ba, para malaman nyo kung asan yung sabaw, kung dito ba or dito. Guys, ilawan nyo. Like, ilawan nyo, di ba? Ilawan nyo, itapat nyo. Tapat nyo yung parang i-ganyan, i-ganon. Tapos, pag meron kang nakitang parang white ay na merong nag-ilaw na ilawan, it means yun doon yung merong sabaw. Pero pag ganyan, yan, itapat mo sa ilaw, tapos dito, tapos walang ilaw, wala doon yung sabaw. Ganon yun. Pero ewan ko kung alam nyo na. Kung alam nyo na, edi good. Pero pag di nyo pa alam, gawin nyo na. Yan guys, nagsasawsaw din ko. Wow!
Madami ka lang.
Dami kailangan.
Siyempre.
Ayaw mo ng sisiw? Kalimutan ko na kung saan ilawan ko ulit. Yan. So, guys, beshi pala. Sorry. Di kasi ako Shanay. Uy! Sanay pala. Yan. So, yan, o-open na natin. Open na natin mga beshi. Uy guys, meron na nga Tingnan nyo.
Inumin mo. Ito. Ihawak mo yan.
Kamay nga, alam ko. Dati pa akong kumakain ng balot
Ako hindi kanina. Baby ako hindi ko kain.
Uy guys, yummy.
And baby ako and nibili ako. And may nakita ko and mama, ipili mo ang balot sa akin. Yung isa lang.
Hindi mo pa alam dati yung balot. Iba yung tawag mo. Ay, hindi ka pa naman kumakain ng bata ka nung bata ka ng balot. Yan. Pero,
Nakain lang ako ng itlog.
ayaw ko siyang kainin. Look guys, may sabaw siya.
Itlog lang
Guys,
ako.
ayaw ko
hindi
siyang
lahat,
kainin.
diba?
Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi, wala pang suka. Gusto ko kasi inumin yung sabaw pag may suka na.
And yan,
Gusto mong kanin, Pao?
Kasi masarap
Lagyan
yun.
ng kanin?
na maliit yung kasa lang dito
Opo.
Nung nalampas lang. Kailangan kasa.
Sarap mga be. Uy. Uy, uy, uy. Yan. So, tanggalan natin ng supot. Yung ano, yung sabaw. Para masupsup natin ang sabaw. Alangan ang higupin natin yung
Okay.
sisiw. Ito. Ay,
Nalampas!
Saan ba?
Yung hindi nalalampas.
Ah.
Nalampas.
wow, ang ingay mo. Nagbibidyo ako. Yan. Kain ka na rin.
Lalagyan ng kanin.
Yan guys. Nilalagyan ko pa siya na ganto para mas bagay. Mas bagay kami.
Asin. Ah,
Charis.
Wala
Wala akong
din.
ano.
wala ikaw ah.
Wala akong crush.
May
Ang sarap. Ay, ang sarap guys. Ang sarap ah. Isa pa. Guys. Guys, wag na kayong mainis kay Tito Mars and wag niyo na ibabash si Tito Mars. Kasi, meron akong nakitang video niya na content lang daw yung mga inaarte-arte niya. Pero sa totoo daw, kumakain daw siya ng sardinas like that. Yun. Sabi niya, may nakita kong video, tapos sinabi niya yun. Kasi, meron daw kasi, di ba, nagpa-picture sa kanila. Tapos, meron daw lumapit sa kanya na bata. Tapos, seryoso daw siya. Parang ganun. Tapos, wag na po kayo mandidiri. Yung parang ganun. Sinasabi na wag na daw mandidiri sa sardinas. Pero, inaano kasi si Tito Mas. Kaya, yun. Sinabi niya na ang totoo. Na content lang yun.
Ma.
Sarap. Guys, favorite ko talaga ang suka. Ay, oo.
Ito ay lunod ko.
Lalo na pag ang ulam namin ay
Assemble multiple times, I might have lost my
ang
appetite a little.
ulam ko ay
that was pretty gross.
Let's go
ang
to
ulam ko ang
McDonald's. Hey,
toyo.
stop shooting
Be,
the gun. She's gonna hear us. Can I get a
dami
ham?
kong
Zoe, tell us
nakakain
what's wrong. There's
in.
definitely something off about you today.
Hinihigop ko pa yung
Mia, you're
suka.
gonna need to do an emotional test on her.
Oh, I love doing these.
I'm seeing feelings of sadness coming from this direction.
Hi, Zoe.
Zoe, I ordered like 5 chocolates yesterday and they're still not delivered.
No, I don't want to do it.
I think this is a girl issue. I think you need to help her.
Zoe, R-A-U-A, good A?
Is that girl talk or something?
No, I'm not. What's wrong?
Abby. Shady, this is not the time!
I'm feeling lonely and Sadie broke my room.
Oh, this does not seem like a good time to buy some candy.
Lester, read the room. Get out.
Alright, I'm leaving. Jeez. Zoe, you're declining customers, you're not talking to us, and you're just sitting here alone. There's definitely something wrong.
Okay, there's something wrong. What's wrong?
Ito natin ilalagay.
Now is not the time!
Get out. No.
Oh, jeez. Zoe, you didn't have to beat him up.
I just want to be alone.
Why are you laying on the ground, Zoe? Get up.
Because the rug is nice. It actually is good quality.
I think being here alone for over a week has gotten into her head.
Zoe, what's wrong? Just tell us. You guys left me for so long and I've been lonely.
Well, we went on an adventure that you're, no offense, not really strong enough to help us in.
I was here by myself.
Well, we're here now, so what's the issue?
No, you guys are gonna leave again.
What? Yeah, I think she's very lonely.
Well, actually, Zoe, I did some research. I can cure your loneliness. Huh?
How are you gonna do that, Mia?
I was reading a book called Love, and it turns out boyfriends can actually help cure loneliness.
Wait, what?
Wait, actually? Yes!
Hold on. Mia, what are you doing?
Cash, there's literally people outside that window.
Yeah, what about him?
What if one of them could be her boyfriend?
Gus is way too old, and that clown is just creepy.
Oh, I'm not too old.
Okay, Mia, we're not doing this. You already know why I wouldn't want Zoe to have a boyfriend.
Listen, your secret person? Oh, gosh.
Hold on, I'm getting grabbed out of a window. Gus, get off of me!
I told you I'm not too old.
No, get away. Can we block off these windows or something?
Lock the doors!
I can't really do that. Anyways, Zoe can't have a boyfriend. You already know about Nico. He likes her.
Okay, well, Nico's had his chance. It's been like a million years and he hasn't asked her.
Just give him some more time. He'll come to his senses soon, I think.
No, I can't let Zoe sit in there and be lonely. We have to help her.
You can help her, but I am not doing any of that. I can't sabotage my boy Nico.
Well, if you help me, then I'll let you use Meebo for a day.
I already... Why is Gus waving at me?
Gus, go away, bro!
Yo, get out of here! Anyways, I don't care about using Meebo for a day. He's not just a little servant. He's a friend anyways.
Fine, whatever. I'm gonna plan a game show and Zoe's gonna find a boyfriend and you're gonna have to deal with it.
Wait, what? Mia, you are not doing all that.
Zoe, I have something planned for you. Huh? What?
Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna plan a game show to find a boyfriend for you. Oh, okay, that does sound fun.
Mia, you're gonna regret doing this.
Perfect. I'm gonna get everything ready and you guys can talk to the clown. Why does he have a kitchen knife?
Hello? What's your name?
Hi.
No, I'm getting out of here. I'm going back to my house. This place is crazy. God, I can't believe Mia's doing this right now. She's trying to sabotage Nico. This is not good.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
Well, I heard you sulking and I also wanted to let you know that the game show is all set up.
Oh, really? Yeah, I'll definitely help you, Mia. Where is it?
Are you sure you want to help me? You seemed pretty against it.
No, I actually came to my senses. Now, where's the address?
Fine, I'll take you there, but then I have things to do.
Okay, well, I'm following you.
Alrighty, let's go.
How about this, Mia? Just to make it easier on you, what if I just host the game show for you?
I mean, I guess it would make it easier. I was actually gonna go hang out with Meebo today.
Don't worry, I've hosted multiple game shows in the past. I know exactly how these things work.
Okay, well, do you have a suit? I want you to look nice.
Do I really need to get one?
Yes, you can't be looking all crusty.
Fine, I'll get a suit. Let's just go to the stage.
Okay.
Mia,
Try Colgate Fresh Confidence. Now with 10 times longer lasting cooling.
These clowns.
You call this a squad?
just go to the stage.
Okay.
Mia, the outside of this looks like buns.
Okay, well, I
Yummy.
got the fighters
Yummy.
building. I only had like
Hindi
2
yun lang, alam mo.
cookies.
You could have spent more time on the exterior. This doesn't look very inviting, but the inside looks pretty cool.
Right? I know. All the guys are gonna come up on stage and Zoe's gonna fall in love.
Okay, so let me just get this straight. Zoe's gonna sit here, and there's gonna be a bunch of guys coming in, and she has to accept or decline them.
Yep, and you'll be sitting right next to her so you can help her choose.
And what do we do after she accepts a bunch?
Well, then we're gonna go through a few challenges.
Oh, and then we eliminate them until there's one left.
Yes, Cash.
Got it. Okay, well, where's Zoe at? She's not even here.
So yeah, you're gonna have to go get her because I have things to do.
Are you serious?
Yes, I told Meebo we were gonna have a play date.
Fine, I'll get her, whatever. Go have your little play date with Bebo.
Oh, yay, Meebo, I'm coming!
Zoe, I know you're hiding around here somewhere. Don't be nervous. Just come to the game show.
No, I'm not.
Zoe, I just heard your voice.
You didn't.
Zoe, are you around this clothing store?
No.
I see you. You can't just hide right there. How did you just go through the wall?
You didn't see me.
Don't make this harder than it needs to be. Get over here. Get over here, Zoe.
No.
We're going to the game show area. Come on. Mia set all this up for you. You gotta do at least this for her.
Okay, I'll do it.
Come on, let's go. This is gonna be your seat, and I'm gonna sit next to you to make sure you don't make any bad decisions, Zoe.
Fine.
Alright, I guess Mia already has all the guys set up, so we're calling in the first male, please. Whoever wants to be Zoe's boyfriend, then come forth. Who is that?
I'm not sure.
That guy looks kind of sketchy.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here for the boyfriend contest.
Okay, well, what do you like to do?
Well, in my free time, I like to walk into places and take stuff out without purchasing it.
Is that just a nice way of saying you rob stores?
What? No, I would never do that. I just don't pay for my items.
You know, it does sound pretty cool.
Zoe, what?
Oh, let's go. I'm on to the next round.
Zoe, you know you just accepted a criminal?
What? I did?
Yeah, did you not realize that?
Ooh, well, I could change them.
Oh, gosh.
Hey, how y'all do?
What do you like to do?
I like to hunt people.
No.
Zoe,
He likes to hunt people.
you only asked him one question.
No, I've already learned enough.
Yo, who is that?
Hey.
Did he just say one word?
I think so.
Zoe, ask him a question.
Hey.
Why is he only saying one word?
Gosh, what do I ask?
Hold on, let me check him out real quick. Okay, he's got a pretty expensive watch on his wrist.
Hey.
Can you say anything other than hey?
Hey, hey.
That's just hey's twice, Zoe. Ask him a specific question that he can't answer hey to.
Okay. Do you like candy?
Hey.
What does that mean?
He's saying the same thing, Zoe. Do you understand him?
No. Wait, so do you not like candy?
I think that means no.
I'm picking up what he's saying.
Zoe, I would not accept him if I were you.
It's already been done.
Hey.
Why would you accept him?
Hey.
He's a one-word man. Are you serious, Zoe?
I figured him out.
Okay, you know what? From now on, I'm gonna accept and decline people for you.
What?
Yeah, this next person, I'm gonna accept them or decline them. Who is that?
Well, hello there, folks, and welcome back to Taco Tuesday.
I actually like this guy a lot.
Decline, decline.
No, Zoe,
Yan
you are not
lang,
touching the buttons this
Beshi.
time. I'll be
So,
asking the
time
questions. So,
for-
what do you like to do in your free
Ano
time?
tayo?
Man, I love
Time
to
for
play Kid
ano?
PvP.
Tingnan nyo
Oh,
guys,
that's awesome. Wait, do you play
pumuputi
Super
ay mga
PvP too?
beshi.
Yeah.
Pumuputi na ang
What?
aking
Zoe, this
lips
guy's
kasi.
hardcore.
Where's the deny button again?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good at PvP are you?
Kailangan
I mean,
naman.
a 10 IG.
Kailangan naman sa
Wow,
toyo.
he's a 10 at PvP.
I don't like PvP.
Another question. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you
Sorry
rate your
talaga.
attractiveness?
Well, I gotta stay confident, man. Probably a 10.
That's what I'm saying, Zoe. This guy's getting accepted. Oh, yeah. You can move on, sir.
Oh, yeah.
That guy was my favorite by
Ma!
far. Back to these guys.
Yan, so okay
There's
na.
Mia dead. Hey, are those new glasses you have on?
Yeah, remember Josh punched me in the face, so I had to get a new pair?
Oh, yeah. That was not cool from Josh. Anyway, Zoe, I'll let you hit the button for this one. I already know what you're gonna decide. Kid, you're not pressing it. You're not pressing the accept button. Get out of here.
Okay, I'll leave.
Let's just decline him. You're not getting
You
accepted.
guys accepted me.
No, we
You
didn't.
guys accepted me.
Oh my goodness.
Cash?
Why did you take so long to press the decline button?
You told me I couldn't press the button.
Well, I told you to press this one.
What?
Okay, fine. You can press buttons. Don't choose any bad people.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Who's this?
Hello?
Wait, this guy sounds kind of familiar.
Hi, Mayor.
Zoe, this guy sounds super sophisticated and is probably very attractive under that paper bag.
I don't know, but he is mysterious, I guess.
No, just ask him some questions.
Okay, well, what do you like to do, sir?
I like to go on long walks on the beach.
I do like long walks.
Yeah, that is a super good answer. Hey, Zoe, want to see a magic trick?
Okay, go.
Pick a number from 1 to 10. Whisper it.
8.
Oh, okay. 1 sec. Hey, Nico.
How do you know it's me?
When I ask you this question, choose the number 8, okay? I'm trying to help you out.
Okay, okay.
All right, now ready for the magic trick?
Okay.
Contestant, we are thinking of a number between 1 and 1 million. What is it?
7.
Ooh, I guess it wasn't meant to be.
Wait, let's give this a second try, Zoe. Don't worry about it.
I made an 8.
See? It worked.
I actually said 8.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I think you should accept him.
Okay, one more question, though.
Oh, gosh.
Do you like raw salmon?
Yes! Yes! He said yes.
Fine, I'll say yes.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
You are accepted, sir, whoever you are. I have no idea who is under that mask. Oh, that was awesome.
Cash, do you know that person?
No, but I don't think we should do any more contestants because that guy seemed like he was amazing, right? Oh, gosh, there's someone else here. Hello?
Hi, how we doing?
We're good.
I guess he's quiet so you get to know him.
Zoe, do you really want to go through more contestants?
Just a few more. Come on.
But that last one was perfect. Okay, fine. I guess you can interview this guy.
How are y'all doing?
Doing pretty good. What are your hobbies?
I like to walk around. Sometimes I look around, and somehow I'm here.
His accent does not fit his outfit at all.
Yeah, I'm confused.
What do you mean by that?
No, nothing. I didn't mean anything by that.
Speak up, boy. What you say?
I just said that I like your accent.
Okay, that's better.
Do you like pizza?
No.
Ooh, we cannot. Really, you decline him over pizza?
Pizza is everything.
Sorry, sir, but Zoe has her weird preferences.
Okay, I see.
Get out! Leave!
Zoe, that was kind of cruel. He was actually a chill dude.
Listen, if they don't like pizza, raw salmon, candy, and my candy shop, and cookies, then they're out.
That is very specific. How is a man supposed to like all of that stuff?
You know, if they wanted to, they would.
Okay, whatever. It looks like someone else is here. Oh, who's that? Hello?
Hello, how are you doing today?
Zoe, he asked you a question.
I'm doing pretty good. I just got, taken from my house.
Here, let me give you one of these. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Gus.
Oh my gosh, he brought me a cake!
That is pretty impressive, Gus.
Yes, I can also provide many other things, like candy and like raw salmon.
Cash, this is like my dream guy.
Yeah, I guess it is. Well, you should still decline him because I still think that paper bag guy was the best.
But he gave me candy and a cake!
Would you like me to say anything else?
Yes, just go back to the stage.
All right.
What do you do in your free time?
Well, I like to go home and I like to cook for my family.
He cooks too?
You have a family?
Yes, I mean my mom and dad.
Oh, okay. Zoe, I still think you should decline him.
No, honey, come on.
Are you seriously gonna accept him?
yan na nga mga beshi. Um, wait lang. Okay na. Umihi lang ako. Akyat lang ako. Nagpuhuli lang ako. Ano ito? Itong basta ito. Yung mouthwash. Baba niya tayo. Yan mouthwash kasi. Yun no. Basta. Wait. May sasabihin ko sa inyo. Hindi ako nagtutokbrush pag umaga. Nag-aano lang ako. Nag-mouthwash. Yun lang ginagawa ko pag umaga. Mouthwash lang. Pero hindi ako nagtutokbrush. Pati ngayon. Pati pag gabi. Pati pag gabi mouthwash lang din. Pero pag ano. Nagtutokbrush lang ako pag hapon. Ibalik natin. Guys, ganito lang ang ilalagay dapat. Tingnan niyo. Lang, hindi niyo ata makita. Yan. Unti lang nilagay ko, be. Yun, oh. Diba? Unti lang. Kaya unti. Kasi, mga beshi, lalagyan natin ng tubig. Para hindi maanghang. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Cross. Charis. 1, 2, 3. Bango. Yun. Yun lang mga beshi. Try ko hindi magpupuyat ngayon. Ang oras ay 7:48. And magtutulog ako ng mga 10. 10. 10 kasi gusto ko eh. 10 ang gusto kong matulog. Pero, kailangan na natin wag magpuyat kasi medyo malapit na ang pasukan. Guys, nagugutom pa ako. Pero ewan ko kung bakit nag-mouthwash agad ako. Yan tuloy. Hay. Yan, so, ito. Medyo inaantok na ako. Pero, hindi ko kayang matulog ng maaga. Yan. So, yun lang. Yun lang mga beshi. Bye-bye. I hope you like my video. So, yun guys. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated ka palagi pag mag-a-upload ako ng bago kong video. Yun lang mga beshi. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching!